it's about my half swing. So just kind of let your wrist hinge naturally and just kind of let it go through. It really should just be an effortless stroke. So again, if I'm going to that yellow one, I kind of have a chipping stance. So the ball's in the middle. Normal grip, like I do for chipping in my full swing, I use that same grip. Weights on my left, handles a little bit ahead. Look at my target. You want your follow through, your backswing and follow through to match. So if I'm going to that short white and black flag, which is only 50 yards from here, it's not that much shorter. My backswing, it's all gonna depend on how far I want it to go. So obviously a shorter shot to like that pin right there, same setup, chipping stance, weights on my left. Shorter backswing, so shorter follow through. You want your backswing and follow through to match. So even if I do a 3/4 swing, if I'm going to like, if I want to, maybe that purplish pole out there, if I want to do a 3/4 swing, backswing and follow through should always match. Is you want to hit down on the ball. You ever heard people tell you that you want to hit down on the ball? Because unlike other sports, hit down to make the ball go up. You know, tennis, if I hit up on the ball, it's going to go up. If I try, I don't even know if I can do this. I mean, honestly, just,
Wow, nice.
I hit down on the back of the golf ball, see how high it went. And then as you get better, as you progress, puts more spin on the ball, gets the ball like to stop on command. But especially with these shorter clubs, pitching wedge, this has a lot of loft on it. Typically a pitching wedge has 46, 48 degrees of loft. So you want it to go high. My pitching wedge goes about 120 yards. That's a stock pitching wedge for me.
Is that all? Wow.
I can get it down. Can probably use it. I like to saw it off too. 115, 105. I can kind of manipulate it to what I want it to do. But you want to let the mechanics of the club do the work. That's what it was designed to do. The face, the shaft, everything was designed to make the ball go up. So, like with pitching, what I like to do, and like how I was telling y'all in the bunker, to focus on 2 inches behind the ball, I want y'all to focus right behind the ball, like the backside of the golf ball. If you can, pick out a dimple, or if you want to put this practice on the side so you can look at that. But, I mean, 2 things about the golf swing. What I like to really focus on is grip. We have the 2 lifelines of the thumbs. So you put everyone's right-handed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You put your left hand down. Should be in the fingers. So you kind of just wrap, really make sure the crease of the club is in your fingers. We want this line between thumb and the index finger to point to my right shoulder. A little bit more.
Point to your.
So we want this to point there. So there you go.
Rolled over the top.
Uh-huh. So you can see, another good tip is if you wear a glove.
Is this all the time or just for this short one?
All the time.
Oh my gosh.
Whoops.
Yeah.
So I can see
Oh my gosh, that feels weird.
this part of my glove.
Okay.
That's a good marker. If you can see the logo of your glove.
I have to
Good.
I'd usually
Good.
just flat down. Oh, that's gonna be weird. That's funny. It's real soft.
Yep.
So then the right hand, same thing. Fingers, just kind of wrap it in. I like to overlap So I have my pinky overlapping the index between my index finger and middle finger of my left hand.
Yeah.
Some people like to interlock. Some people like a 10
Oh,
finger.
I like interlock.
Whatever's natural to you. I like to
There's my
overlap. Just kind of set it on top. So now the line on my right hand is pointing to my right shoulder. Good. I know it probably feels weird to a lot. It feels really weird, doesn't it?
Really weird. Oh no.
So once we got a good grip, the grip is really the basis of the golf swing. We got a good grip, we have a really good foundation for hitting a good golf shot. And honestly, all y'all's pitching swings were really good. So those were really good half swings. Just make it a little bit longer. So that was my half swing, right? For my pitching. That's what what at least felt like a half swing to me. Probably wasn't. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit longer.
Wow. Ooh, pretty.
I finish all the way over. Left leg. I can almost pick up my right foot. I'm on top of my right toe. And then I'm looking at my target. A good thing for your finish, belly button to the target. It really